Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You've got the essentials ready. Hey your Google TV and your phone on the same Wi-Fi. Once done, turn on the TV and note its device name in Settings so you'll recognize it. Now on your Android phone, open Settings, right arrow Connected Devices, right arrow Cast, or open Chrome and tap the three dots right arrow Cast. Tap the Hey Your TV name to start discovery. You do this so the devices negotiate a secure connection and agree on resolution and audio routing before the stream begins. After you pick the Hey Your TV from the list, make sure to accept any pairing prompts. Sometimes a 4-digit PIN appears on the TV, enter it on your phone to confirm. Next, check the app's cast options so you can choose orientation, resolution, or audio output because apps differ in control. If you're on iPhone, use an app that supports Chromecast protocols. AirPlay alone won't connect unless the TV advertises AirPlay compatibility. These steps prevent mismatched formats and reduce lag or black bars. To finish the session, tap the cast icon on your device and choose Disconnect, or press the TV's home button and end the cast from input sources. You'll want to confirm playback arms back to your device. Make sure playback controls on your phone map to the TV while casting, because that's how you pause or skip. If casting fails, restart the Hey Your TV and your router and check for system updates. As a quick troubleshooting tip, rebooting the TV often clears stale Chromecast services and resolves discovery problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.